Jai Shri Ram. Namaskaram all. Here is the 2025 March festival dates. These festival days calculated as per USA longitude and latitude. March 13th Phalguna Purnima. March 13th Holika Dahan. March 13th night lunar eclipse is there. My next video I will upload all the timings and details. March 14th Holi festival and Lakshmi Jayanti. March 18th to March 23rd Shukramudami is there. Between these days not recommended to do housewarmings and weddings. March 28th Amavasya Tarpanam. March 29th Telugu New Year, Ugadi, Gudi Padwa and Vasanta Navaratri starts. March 29th Shani is going to transit in Meena Rashi. These are the major festivals details in 2025 March. Namaskaram all. Jai Shri Ram.